in question 10. It asks you to find the length of a stick that can fit in a box that has the dimensions 36 by 48 by 25. Now, if you didn't put your dimensions in this exact form, you can still solve the problem. But the stick that we're looking at will extend from the front corner, the lower front corner of one part of the box, all the way to the back upper corner on the opposite side of that box. That's the longest segment that can fit into this shape. Okay, and so if I refer to this as D, I'm looking to solve for the length D. In order to solve for D, though, you do need to break this into the elements that we're studying in this section, which is right triangles. And so the easiest thing to do is, if you draw a diagonal across the bottom of this box, it allows you to create not just one right triangle, but a second right triangle as well. And so using those two right triangles, you should be able to identify D. Now, you can do it with a calculator, but you can also do this by hand. And the way that you would do this by hand is look to recognize the patterns here. What common factors can do 36 and 48 have? They're both factors of 12. So this is 12 times 3, 12 times 4. So you have a 3, 4 blank right triangle. So what is the pattern going to be? 5 times the common multiplier. So you get 60 for this length. Okay, now I'm going to leave it as 12 times 5 because what do I notice about 25? 25 also has a factor of 5. It's 5 times 5. So when I look at this green triangle, the other right triangle that's created, I have a pattern of 5, or a common multiplier of 5. So when I look at the pattern, I have a 5, 12. What's the next one as far as the common triple? 5, 12, 13. And so the common multiplier for this triangle was 5. And so my overall length, 13 times 5. 13 times 5. So that gives me 65 for my overall length.